G'day guys, summer is well and truly upon us. We found a beautiful little campsite here on the river. We've got the steaks on the barbecue and I'm about to knock up a great little salad. Now this particular salad I quite like because all the ingredients pretty well come out of a can, which means the ingredients travel really well. So nice and simple, we're going to start off with a 4-bean mix. So all we're going to do here is crack the lid. We should really drain that out a little bit. I'll drain that over here. I'll have to do that over there. All right, I'm going to pop the beans in there. Next up, olives. Maybe not the whole jar, but a fair few. We're going to pop them in there just like so. Then we're going to go a little bit of corn. And if you're on a beautiful little river like this, I'm betting it's full of carp, like they all are. So whatever you don't use, corn's the perfect bait. I'll drain that again. Okay, so we're going to pop some corn in there. Just like so. And then next up, a bit of onion, bit of raw onion. Chop that in there. Put a pop it there. Now for this side salad, I'm going to go about half an onion, but it depends how much you like your onion. I'll pop that in there, look at that, beautiful. All right, bit of packet brown rice. This is probably a bit too much, but we might make a bigger one of these salads a bit later. I'm gonna pop that in just like so. Now for the main ingredient. Now this here, Vietnamese Salad Dressing. Adds a real sweet punch to it. And we're gonna go, yeah, about that much. Mix her all around. I'm just gonna throw some nice fresh parsley in there. Pick this stuff from home, but out of the spice jar, it'll do it just fine too. Mix that in there. If you want, you can pop in a little bit of olive oil as well. I'm gonna actually drizzle a little bit in there. There you go, nice and healthy. Super simple, no cooking involved. Now the real beauty about this is, like I said, everything come out of a can, so it'll store really well in your car. Even if you've been out camping for a couple of weeks, this salad is super simple to knock up. And then you have it. Have a look at that. I'm gonna give it a taste test because that's the go. Give it a try, guys, you'll love it.